So up everyone, meron naman po tayong concern na ito. Okay, first of all, sana safety po tayong lahat. Sana malusog at sana nasa mabuting kalagayan po tayo ngayon. Alright po? Okay, our topic for today is bakit tama palagi yung babae? Okay, simpleng sagot. First of all, bakit sila nagiging tama palagi? Pag yung concern nila, tsaka yung vision nila for the very future talaga. Okay. Okay. Case to case basis yun eh. Pag hindi pa kayo nagsasama, talagang mayroong conflict yun. It has a conflict for the personal interest. Kasi hindi pa talaga kayo coincide ng pag-iisip. Kasi iba yung plano mo, tsaka iba yung plano ng babae. Okay? Pero pag nagsama na kayo, magiging 100% tama talaga yung babae. Bakit? Kasi gusto lang talaga ng babae is safety, right? Kaya maingat sila sa bagay kung anong meron sila, which is you, which is the husband. Bakit sila maingat? Kasi gusto nila secure ka at safety yung papupuntahan mo, di ba? Sino ba namang mali dun? Di ba tama yun, di ba? Right? Okay. Magiging mali lang talaga yung asawa mo pag meron siyang gagawin kalokohan. Siyempre, mali yun. Tas, magiging mali lang talaga yung asawa mo. Siyempre, pag mismo yung lalaki o tayo may gagawin kalokohan. Kasi conflict of interest yun eh. Di ba? Personal interest yun eh. But when we are talking about the future or the fulfillments to your family, with your family, to your children, with your wife, siyempre tama talaga yung babae kasi lahat ng iniisip nila, lahat ng gustong mangyari ng yung wife, siyempre wife naman talaga kasi nagsasama na kayo sa iisang bubong. 100% tama yun. Kasi ganito, kasi ganyan. Hindi. Tama talaga yung mga babae. Kahit itanong natin sa mga nag-success na most of them are following their visions of their wife. Not what I'm saying is, hindi natin i-consider natin yung sarili natin. But, to the guidance of our wife is way better than it. Okay? Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin, kailangan talaga nating i-consider lahat ng vision nila. Hindi naman ibig sabihin, mali tayo. Okay? It depends upon the situation when you are making the rest decision, right? Pero hindi naman yun magiging risk or something na masama pag alam mo yung tama yung gagawin mo, right? Di ba? Kahit sinong tanongin natin sa lahat ng mga nag-success right now, they consider their wife decisions. Tama talaga yun. Right? Non-arguable, woman is always right. Thank you so much.